Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to add admin to your Facebook page. To add admin to your Facebook page, first click on browser. Go to facebook.com, facebook.com. Click on your page profile shown on the top right side of your screen. Click on settings. Click on page roles. Enter the name or the email you want to make admin. Click on admin. Click on add. Enter your password. Click on submit. After the user accepts your request, then they will be successfully added in admin. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.